1 kilogram chicken, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 4 tablespoons tikka masala. Marinate for 30 minutes. Shallow fry chicken. For tomatoes puree, 3 tablespoons coriander and mint leaves and 6 green chilies. Crushed fried onion 5 tablespoons. Yogurt 250 grams. Add some oil. Add tomatoes puree. Add 1½ tablespoon salt. Add 4 tablespoons red chili powder. Cook until oil separates. At this point, add whisk yogurt. When oil separates, add crushed fried onion and cook for 5 minutes. Now add coriander and mint leaves and green chilies. 3 cups rice, cellar soak for 3 hours. Now boil water and until 1/4 done. And then add rice into prepared gravy and give steam for 15 minutes. And then mix all biryani together. Ready to eat. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel.